Wow. Never know what you'll find by the old creek.
Yeah, usually my son just picks up little wrappers of blow pops and stuff like that. Never fossils. That'd be kind of a nice thing to find.
Yeah.
You know what also would be nice? Find some cooler air, some drier air.
And maybe a little rain thrown in would be.
Boy, we need the rain badly. You know, I just finished up a blog on our website at KXAN.com talking about heat index values because that's already becoming an issue again because of this muggy weather. Also, like you said, we need to get that rain back in the forecast. We're going to try to do both. Taking a look at Viper radar this evening. It is raining. I shouldn't even say raining. It is storming across parts of Texas into Oklahoma this evening. Unfortunately for us, all this moisture is just going to stay well to the north of us. But we've had a lot of storm reports with this, so that is good news that it is staying far away. We've had one report so far of a tornado just off towards the west, I should say, or the east, that is, of Lubbock this evening, as these storms kind of developed in the panhandle and then have been pushing eastward pretty slowly. You can see the storm reports for today, some of them starting to add up as well, as we've got 131 total reports over the last 24 hours. Of course, the bulk of them through parts of central Missouri, southern Illinois, and Indiana into northern Kentucky. But we've seen about a dozen reports so far in Texas this evening, mainly hail reports, anywhere from about 1 inch to 1 3/4 inches or golf ball diameter hail. So these are some serious storms in this area. We don't want that, but we do like the rain. Unfortunately, Mother Nature's not going to give us much of that over the next couple of days. Downtown camera looking pretty nice this evening. Temperature still very warm, sitting at 75. Also started to build in some of that cloud cover again, and it's going to be around throughout most of the night, acting as a nice little blanket to keep these warm temperatures in check. So most of the numbers not going to drop by maybe another 4 or 5 degrees this evening, and the winds are going to stay up as well. You can see most of the winds this evening out of the south, the southeast, anywhere from about 8 to 15 miles an hour, and I expect them to stay in this range throughout the overnight hours tonight, and that will just kind of pump in more low-level moisture. In the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere, you can see some dry air here through Mexico. Kind of got cut off tonight as a little bit of a little wave came out of Mexico with some more moist air, and that's where those thunderstorms are this evening, kind of riding through North Texas into Oklahoma, and then you can kind of see that pattern continues up towards those storms in Illinois and Indiana this evening as well. And I expect this will be the corridor that will see the best rain chances tonight in towards tomorrow. But for us, we may see a little bit of light patchy mist early tomorrow morning. That's not going to be our best rain chance, though. We'll actually see a little bit better chances of a couple of showers, I think, as we head into Monday. Before then, though, we're going to see kind of a carbon copy tomorrow with temperatures maybe a degree or two cooler tomorrow afternoon. But again, it will be cloudy early, giving way to partly cloudy skies in the afternoon, and it will be a breezy afternoon as well. Now, the forecast looking ahead to the second week, Climate Prediction Center showing the outlook looking drier than normal. What a surprise, right? Another week of dry weather. So the first 2 weeks of May look to be starting off dry, and this is in our wettest month of the year normally. So not good news in the rainfall department. Tonight, though, 70 expected for the low temperature. We'll see numbers climbing up to 89 tomorrow afternoon. It will be breezy. Now, there is a rain chance in the next 7 days, just not a good one. 10% chance coming Monday afternoon for a couple little streamer showers across the area. And by no means will any of these be drought busters. Just a little thing to get the roadways a little slick, and that's going to be about it. 89 expected for the high Monday and Tuesday, up to 90 on Wednesday. We are going to see temperatures gradually climbing all the way back up to around 92 by next Friday. For the start of the first weekend of May, going to be very warm as well, as we'll hit 90 next Saturday.